The BNC installation kit is pictured along with a sample LMR 400 cable, blue crimp ferrule, and male BNC connector package. The BNC installation kit includes a cable cutter, pictured in green, a two-step stripping tool, pictured in yellow, a crimping tool, pictured in blue, and 2 extra cartridges for the two-step stripping tool. Step 1. Insert the LMR 400 cable into the circular groove on the green cable cutting tool. Cut the cable. After cutting the cable, check to ensure a straight cut on the copper conductor. If this edge is not straight, repeat this step again. Step 2. Insert the freshly cut LMR 400 cable into the yellow two-step stripping tool. Push the cable up to the surface of the built-in stopper on the tool. The face of the cable must be flush with the built-in stopper. Step 3. While firmly holding the LMR 400 cable with one hand, insert a finger from your other hand onto the circular opening on the two-step tool. Spin the tool in either direction for a minimum of 5 rotations. There is no maximum limit of rotations. After the rotations, firmly squeeze the tool as shown and pull the tool away from the cable. It may be helpful to slightly rotate the tool during this action as shown. Step 4. Insert the blue crimp ferrule over the cable. This will be used in a later step. Step 5. Fray the braids on the cable outwards as shown. Step 6. Slide the center pin of the connector onto the conductor of the cable. Make sure that the center pin is as far onto the conductor as it can be. Using the smaller jaw on the blue crimp tool, crimp the center pin onto the conductor as shown. After crimping, check to ensure that the center pin is secure. If the center pin is loose or damaged, repeat this step. Step 7. Insert the BNC connector over the center pin. Push the connector as far as it can go onto the LMR 400 cable. Check the front of the connector to see if the gold center pin is flush with the front surface of the connector. If it is not, try pushing the connector farther onto the LMR 400 cable. If the connector does not push farther onto the cable, restart the entire process by using the green cable cutting tool to create a new cut on your LMR 400 cable. Step 8. Move the previously inserted blue ferrule up and over the connector mandrel such that the ferrule contacts the connector. Step 9. Using the crimp tool, crimp the blue ferrule. The whole entire ferrule needs to be crimped. This will take a minimum of 2 crimps. A properly crimped ferrule is shown.